Today I'm going to be demonstrating Microsoft Office 2007. Previously on this series, I demonstrated Microsoft Office 2010 on Windows 7. We are going to use Windows Vista, and yeah, this is the authentic Windows Vista. Let's just go to run version 6.0, build 6002, service pack 2. Meaning that it's nothing like... Give me 1 second. It's nothing like this, which it looks like Windows Vista, doesn't it? Until you realize that's the Internet Explorer 6 logo. And that the start button is a little bit wonky, allowing you to just hit window. And then you realize this is Windows XP. It's just made to look like Windows Vista. But enough of that. Allow me to just... And I should now show you what programs we are going to demonstrate. So, unlike the Office Professional Plus license, we actually have an enterprise license. Well, we've got our ThinkCenter A70 running here. We haven't touched this thing in a bit, which is also why the wallpaper has wallpaper. But we are going to cover Word 2007, Excel 2007, PowerPoint 2007, Outlook 2007, OneNote 2007, Publisher 2007, Access 2007, InfoPath 2007, and Groove 2007. As you can tell, we've already got OneNote and Groove running in the background. Let's not waste any more time. Now you'd think that I would maximize this. Well, no, we're not going to maximize it. With Windows Vista, we are not going to maximize things, and but if we go, yeah, basically if you have anything maximizing Windows Vista, if you have any sort of special arrow transparency effects. But the point was that if you had something maximized, it made everything black in the background so that you could focus on your work. It's the one thing that I don't like about Windows Vista is that. So we are instead going to do that. And I know exactly what to type. Just allow me to do my magic and not knock the camera. And now, allow me to try to do my best impression of Waluigi. Okay, I should state, I'm allowed to have fun with this stuff. I'm not a professional. I can do stuff like this. Now let's go to Microsoft Excel. This is a rather interesting thingy. If you notice that, I have the side screen enabled, some of the sounds play multiple times. I don't know why. It's common in this version of Excel and Office 2010. Oh boy, we have to turn off scroll lock. Because if we don't, it does that. no, we are not going to equals sum. Let's format these for currency. Yeah, you can make $8 million off of this fruit. If only there wasn't an absurd amount of spelling mistake. Okay, this is taking like 20 minutes. We need to pick up the speed. Well, we're gonna skip over PowerPoint for now. Let's go focus on Outlook. Calendar. No, I want 217. Reminder. 0 minutes. Yee. Also got contact. I feel so embarrassed. Now with that out of the way, let's just start with OneNote. EA Sports. It's in the game. EA Sports. It's in the game. We've also got this. Should deal with that now. Now I've got this. Let's go with flow. Actually, no, this. Oh boy. For whatever reason, it didn't give us that. Oh, there it goes. Now that we got that out of the way. Yeah. And now let's just see compatibility. We put a file with a Japanese file name in there. Wow. Now let's just do this. Now we've got a publisher access group and InfoPath. Blank page sizes A3 portrait. Apply a template. You can somehow use this to make a website. Meaning that this also kind of doubles as front page. Publication 2. Interesting, you've got a lot of Windows Vista icons. Blank database. Import from Excel. Fruit stuff. And there you go. Now we've got InfoPath. And we're not gonna just deal around with this. And now Microsoft Groove 2007. Cannot contact provisioning server. Click here for more information. This is effectively SharePoint. Add files. Yes. We got workspace members and other stuff. This basically was effectively like if you made Discord a file sharing service and then just also allowed. This basically seems like Discord, but for a more older version of the game. Not Discord, because Discord doesn't have a file share. And yeah, that is Office 2007. I might make videos about Project 2007, Video 2000, and any other programs I missed in the future, but probably not in the foreseeable future. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!